Hello and welcome to another walk around video. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at Toyota Rav4 XLE Premium. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in midnight black. Under the hood you'll find yourself a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, sunroof, roof rails, and power liftgate. Now why don't we hop inside and see what else this RAV4 has to offer. Helping us inside with our key fob right here, it's got our lock and unlock buttons, as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a sec. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom you do have some storage compartments. Above it you got your power windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as your seating presets. Next to the door you have your lighting options, as well as your heated steering wheel. Your black Softex. And your power adjusters. So now why don't we hop inside and start it up. It is a push to start, foot on the brake, press that engine start button. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. Here you got your arrows, which will help you navigate through your multi-information display like so. Just below that you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. Moving to the right side, you do have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with your radar cruise control and your lane assist. Here you got your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our entertainment display, right now we are on home. If we go ahead and press audio, you can see it come, let's go ahead and press source. You can see it does come with your standard AM and FM, of course. You also have a choice between USB, Sirius XM satellite, or Bluetooth. Also got that backup camera. You can choose between different views and you get those nice guidelines as well. Moving down to the climate control, very nice smooth dials. It is a dual zone, so your passenger can adjust that to liking, and you can do so as well. Below that you have your heated driver passenger seats. Below that some storage, perhaps for your phone. 12-volt outlet, USB and auxiliary port. Next to the shifter you have your different drive modes, including eco mode. We all want to be fuel efficient. 2 cup holders, center console, plenty of space in there. You also got 2 USB ports in there as well. Lastly, we're going to move to the passenger side. You got this nice little shelf here, and right underneath is your glove box. Plenty of space in there, and it does come with your owner's manual. So now let's just close that right up. Now before we head to the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. In the door you do have some storage compartments just like the driver's side. All weather mats equipped in the back as well. More black Softex seating. And our center here, if we just pull this down, you do have an armrest featuring 2 cup holders. And lastly, these seats do fold down, giving you access to the cargo. Just a few things to show you before we head inside. On top we do have those low profile roof rails, as well as that shark fin antenna. Underneath that Toyota emblem is that backup camera that we mentioned, and lastly right underneath the vehicle are those dual exhausts. So to open up, all you gotta do is hold this power liftgate button on your key fob, and that'll open right up on its own. See already there's a lot of room in here. If you ever find yourself needing extra more space, you can fold those seats right down. You got some nice storage on the right here. And lastly, underneath here, just pull that tab. Oh, here we go. Right underneath, you do have your tools and your spare tire, in case that ever goes. So to close up, all you gotta do, nice and simple, press this button right here. And that power liftgate will just close on its own. Just like that. So easy. Taking a last look at our Toyota Rav4 XLE Premium. Once again, some of your great interior features include your Bluetooth audio, Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, and heated seats. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so much come on down and take for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.